Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. Today we are going to learn how to use if else in the bash scripting because this is required whenever you have some conditional logics. You can have to use the if else statements in the bash scripting. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So let's copy this and let's check this example of if else statement. So here we go with this one. So first enter a number. So we are reading a number. Then if the number is greater than 0, then the number is positive. If the number is equivalent to 0, then the number is 0. Else the number is negative. Let's because this is checking whether the number is positive, 0 or the negative. Let's have a look. Okay. So let's go to the terminal and check bash scripting. Suppose I am entering something like 0. So what will print? The number is 0. If I run over here like any positive number 5, then this is a positive number. If I add something like -9, or what will happen? The number is negative. So this is the if else condition that you have to use into your project whenever there's a requirement. Okay, so this is conditional statement whether you want to use into your project or not. So on the behalf of it, you can use the if else statements instead of this. Okay, so here you can see that how we are able to do that part. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.